How scalable data warehousing transforms business potential. In today's data-driven world, businesses generate massive amounts of information from countless sources: sales systems, customer interactions, websites, IoT devices, and more. But data alone doesn't create value. It's the ability to organize, store, and access that data effectively that drives smart decisions and competitive advantage. This is where modern data warehousing plays a critical role. A modern data warehouse provides a centralized, scalable, and high-performance solution for storing and analyzing large volumes of structured and semi-structured data, enabling organizations to harness insights that lead to measurable business growth. One of the most impactful features of a modern data warehouse is its centralized architecture. Instead of having data scattered across spreadsheets, isolated databases, and siloed systems, a data warehouse consolidates it into a single source of truth. This unified view gives decision-makers reliable, accurate data to work with, reducing duplication and inconsistencies. Whether a company needs to analyze sales trends, monitor customer behavior, or evaluate operational performance, a centralized warehouse ensures everyone is working from the same trusted data. Data warehouses also enable faster, more powerful analytics. With optimized storage, indexing, and processing capabilities, modern platforms can query billions of rows in seconds. This means analysts and executives no longer need to wait hours for reports. They can get near real-time answers to critical questions. As a result, decisions are made faster, and business opportunities can be seized without delay. Another core benefit is scalability. Cloud-based data warehouses like Azure Synapse Analytics, Snowflake, or Google BigQuery offer flexible storage and compute power that grow with your business. Whether you're a startup analyzing customer behavior from a few thousand records or an enterprise running complex models on petabytes of data, modern warehousing adapts as your data needs evolve, without expensive hardware upgrades or downtime. Integration with business intelligence tools is also a key growth driver. When a data warehouse is combined with tools like powerBI, Tableau, or Looker, it becomes the foundation for rich, interactive dashboards and reports. This empowers teams across departments, sales, marketing, finance, HR, to explore data visually, ask better questions, and uncover actionable insights that improve performance. And with governed data access, users see only what they're authorized to, maintaining both security and flexibility. Modern data warehousing also plays a vital role in advanced analytics and machine learning. By bringing together clean, structured data in one place, data scientists can build and train more accurate models. Whether it's forecasting demand, identifying churn risks, or optimizing pricing strategies, the insights derived from warehouse-backed models can directly impact profitability and efficiency. Moreover, a well-structured data warehouse enables businesses to become more compliant and audit-ready. With proper data lineage, version control, and role-based access, organizations can meet industry regulations more easily, an essential factor in sectors like finance, healthcare, and government. Key ways modern data warehousing supports business growth include creating a single source of truth for consistent decision-making, enabling fast, scalable, and flexible data analysis, powering dashboards and self-service, BI for broader data access, supporting advanced analytics and AI models, ensuring governance, compliance, and data security. Moreover, as businesses become increasingly global and data-heavy, the need for real-time insights is growing. Modern data warehouses often include streaming and real-time ingestion capabilities, allowing companies to analyze fresh data as it arrives. This means manufacturers can monitor equipment health in real time, retailers can track customer activity as it happens, and logistics companies can adjust routes on the fly based on current conditions. Conclusion: modern data warehousing is more than just a back-end IT solution. It's a strategic enabler of business growth. By centralizing and optimizing how data is stored and accessed, it allows companies to make smarter decisions, uncover new opportunities, and move with greater speed and confidence. In a world where data is a core business asset, investing in modern warehousing is essential to staying competitive, agile, and future-ready.